Today on my channel, guys, we're making a quick and easy tortilla pizza with ham, salami, and cheese. So let's get started. Yeah, before we get started making our pizza, we're going to be using these little cookie cutters. Yep. Okay, I'll show you how we use them. Okay, let's put our ham aside here. We'll get our sauce out of the way and our cheese. And we're going to take a piece of salami here, right? And we're going to take one of our cookie cutters here. Probably, maybe not the middle one, but maybe the next size up. And we'll see if that works. And we're going to fold our salami in half. And then half again. Just like that. And we're going to see if we might even be able to use a bigger one. Let's see. Yep, we can use the bigger one. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to push down on that and cut out 1, 2, 3, 4 little pieces of salami there. There you go, and we'll just save them for a minute. We'll do that again. Fold it in half. Fold it in half again. And we'll cut out our salami. Push down. Give it a little twist. You end up with actually 4 nice slices of salami. There you go. Now we'll put that aside. Now we'll get our ham, do the same thing. Fold it up in quarters. And we'll push down. Give it a little twist. And we end up with 4 nice little chunks. Where's the 4? There it is. He was hiding on me there. Okay, we'll put that aside here. We'll do it again. We'll fold it in half. Fold it in half again. And we'll go ahead and push down on that. Give it a little twist. And we end up with 4 nice little ham slices there. Like little slices, Sam. Nice. Alright. Now we're not going to waste these. We're going to use our new knife from Massetti, the Santuco knife. Okay, now we're going to chop up what's left of our salami and ham here into light little strips. Okay, that's good enough. Now we're going to take that and put it into a bowl. Okay. Here we have our ham and salami that we use the cookie cutter to cut them up. Makes nice little slices. Yeah, beautiful. And we have our ham left over here and salami that we're going to use up. We have a half a cup of grated cheese here. Now this is a blend of cheese. You can use mozzarella cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. And we have a half a cup of tomato sauce here. You can use pizza sauce. You can use whatever sauce or brand that you like. That sounds good. And now all we have to do is start cooking. Okay, we're going to set our burner to medium. And we're using our 12-inch griddle here. And we're going to spritz that with a little bit of oil. Okay. And we're going to let our pan warm up here. Okay, our pan's warm enough here. So we're going to put our big tortilla in there. We're going to put it in there just like that. And we're going to try to toast that bottom just a little bit. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay. Now we'll lower our heat a little bit here. Okay, now we're going to add our tomato sauce. And we're going to spread that around. Okay. Okay, now we're going to add our cheese. You like cheese? Yeah, we like cheese. Make sure you put enough cheese. Okay, yeah. Alright, we'll save a little bit for on top. Now we're going to put our ham around. Our nice ham slices. Yep, good. I think there's going to be too many, but that's okay. We like a lot. We'll put some of our salami in the middle. Mix it up a little bit. Okay, we got one more spot here. There you go. Okay, there you go. Now we're going to add a little more cheese here to the top. Just a little. There you go. Now we can use these ham chop bits here, and we can spritz them on top of there. You can save some to make another one if you want. Now we're going to cover that for about a minute here, and then we'll give it a check, see how everything is. Okay, let's give it a quick check here. Yep, starting to melt. You know what? We're going to put the rest of our ham on there. That's meaning just a little bit left. Might as well go ahead and do that. And we're going to go ahead and spritz it with a little more cheese on top, because we just love cheese. There you go. And we're going to hit it with just a little bit of salt. Not much. A little bit of black pepper. Some garlic powder. And a little bit of oregano. Okay. Now we're going to cover that and let everything kind of melt really nicely. Boy, that smells good. Can't wait to get into that. You know what we're going to do? We're going to use our Lodge cast iron silicone handle here. And we're going to put that right on there. So we can grab onto that real good. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, let's take a look at that. See how it is? Wow, that's... Let me see if it's done under there. Beautiful. Wow. That's going to be good. Alright, we're going to have to get that out of there. I can't wait to get into that though. Okay, it looks like we're going to need the help of our big spatula here. So let's try to get that out of there. Alright. It's still bubbling. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it good, but it sure does smell good. Okay, we're going to have to get into that right there. That's really tasty. Smelling. There you have it, a quick and easy tortilla pizza with ham and salami with a lot of cheese. Boy, that sounds good. Okay, let's see if we can cut into that. Yep, that's... Did we get the edge? Got a bigger plate here. Alright, let's spin it. We'll cut it this way. Okay, let's see if we can get a piece out of there. Oh yeah, I'm just going to use my hands. Oh yeah, look at that. Can you see that? Man, is that tasty looking. Wow. Okay, let's just have a little bite. Oh, the flavors of the salami and the ham and cheese is just awesome. Mixed with the tomato sauce. Man, you're gonna love this one right here. Definitely tasty. Yeah, make a few because they're not gonna be around long. Thumbs up on that. Okay. There you go. Boy, is that tasty. You know what would go good with that right there? Oh yeah, a nice wobble pop. Okay, that sounds good. Good.